The Indian River Malabar to Vero Beach Aquatic Preserve is a transition area between the temperate and the subtropical climate zones, creating habitat for great biological diversity. The northern section of the Indian River Lagoon is a 156-mile-long estuary that spans from Ponce de Leon Inlet in the north to Jupiter Inlet in the south. Steve Williams, an environmental specialist for the Florida Department of Environmental Protection, explains the importance of their research and studies on seagrasses conducted by the Aquatic Preserve staff.
We have pre-established seagrass transects, and they were based on proximity to the mouth of the Sebastian. And the first thing we do is we establish a line, a measured line, and we will take out a measuring tape, and we set that tape out based on 20-meter intervals. We set down a grid, and a grid is a 1 meter by 1 meter PVC square, and it's subdivided into 10 centimeter squared cells. With that, we set down the grid on the transect, and we look at the abundance of seagrass as well as the abundance of each species present, and we also count the number of cells that it occurs in. That way we kind of get an idea of how well its aerial distribution is. If it's just a few cells with a lot of grass or numerous cells with a little bit of grass, it kind of gives us an idea of the aerial coverage. And we continue along the line until we've gotten to the deepest edge of grass.
Their research indicates a strong correlating link between the quality of health in the lagoon and the amount of successfully established seagrass beds in the lagoon.
Recently, we've run across boaters and fishermen who they're very curious as to what we're doing when we've explained the Aquatic Preserve program and our goals and objectives. They get really excited because they know that there's something being done to help maintain the aquatic preserves or their particular body of water. They know that there's something being done so that not only today but tomorrow and well into the future, there are going to be the resources that they can continue to use. And to me, knowing that in 50 or 100 years, this area is going to be essentially the same because of work that I and others have done, to me it just makes me feel really good just knowing that we're still going to have resources.